Hi everybody, it's Julie. It's Monday and we have our mini challenge in the challenge, and it's challenging. We came back from our vacation. We still have company here, and so we're going to go ahead and we're going to be making 3 cards that we can add to, or tags that we can add to our journals. This can be for our journal for June, or for any project that we have coming up, or even to help finish something that we already had started. So I have on my desk, I fussy cut a whole bunch of things. I fussy cut cardstock, fussy cut digitals while we were driving. And I have these guest checks that are compromised at the top. And so I'm going to be using those. So guest checks, digital, something round, tickets, and washi, and then add something else, okay? So guest checks, round, tickets, digital, and washi tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pick 6, because then you're going to also pick something else to add. So for these, I wanted to make them a little larger because my journal is actually quite large. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of the note paper that I've been using on the journal I'm using now. Now this also could go into something else. So I'm going to go ahead and stack these on top of each other. I could put them back to back and make that a little pocket, because I love pockets and I cannot lie. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. And so one of the things that happened, apparently one of my glues fell over. And it didn't have a lid on it, and it left a giant pile of fabric tack on my desk. It's always something, right? So today is the last day of the Father's Day digital sale. So all the digitals in the Dear Julie Etsy shop are on sale through today, Monday. Okay, and Diamond and Emerald Patreons, your coupon code is in the Patreon, and they get 70% off the digitals. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this, but I think I'm going to go ahead, because this is the one that has the lines on the back, and I'm going to add it so that it can be used. Okay, so it's gonna be a flip. And we'll just put our glue where the thank you is. And I'm gonna make one of these, and in today's video, and I'm gonna make 2 more that are just like it. And that is going to be my challenge. But today you'll see me make 1, and just know that I'm going to be making 2 more. Okay, so there's that, and we have this large pocket here that we can put something in. Okay, so we need something round. I really do like the way that looks there. I think I like this yellow one. Okay, and we need a ticket, and it's like, you know me, I love collage, but I'm kind of thinking, oh, what if we could do build a belly band down here with all this stuff. Okay, or down at the bottom, it could be build a pocket. I kind of like that. And then something could go in here, like one of these that yeah, I like that. Okay, so build a pocket is you literally build a pocket. And I'm going to go ahead and go around the 3 edges of this piece. Okay, and put that down on the bottom. Okay, so 3 edges of that piece. Now for this, oh, I don't want to lose. No, I like it on top. Okay, so I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add glue here, and I'm going to add glue along the bottom here. And that'll go right on top of that little piece that we just added. And this will kind of build it kind of more like a tuck, okay? But I want to make sure that I'm, there we go. Okay, so that's going to do that. Okay, we do need a digital as well. And we can add that, or add it here. So that could go there, or across. Okay, I like that there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put glue on this side piece that was on that round. Okay, and then glue across the bottom. And then when I put this down, I need to make sure that all the area that I glued is on this next piece. Okay, so that can go right in there. So we still have space here that you can go ahead and write. We do want to add some washi as well. So this is a pretty simple one, I think. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the edge. Add that right in there. Okay, so this is my extra. So I have my guest check, my round, my ticket is not on here. I think a ticket might be cool up here. Yeah, let's see about this. We add this piece of washi. Okay, and this little digital up there at the top. I like that. Okay. Now you could distress all of these things. That's fine. I don't like to distress. Is there anybody out there? Have you watched anybody else that doesn't like to distress? I'm curious because I just, you know, it's like once you start, you have to do it for the whole thing. I might be lazy. I am. I don't want to distress. And I like the contrast of the bright white with the other. Okay, so we used our ticket and our washi. Okay, so guest check, round, ticket, digital, washi. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then add something else. And we added note paper. Okay, so my note paper is my adding something else. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my little card here. And that is, I think that's going to be really fun. And remember, I do have a pocket here that I could go ahead and add another guest check or something in there. There is room for that. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 more just like this, and that will be my mini challenge in the challenge. You have the whole week to finish your mini challenge in the challenge. Post it in the mini challenge in the challenge. I believe this is 6.3. In the June, I do make junk journal challenge group, and you can find that if you are participating in the Dear Julie June challenge. And I'll put the details video for that challenge in the description box down below. And so I think this is going to be a lot of fun. And it's a simple one. A simple, quick mini challenge in the challenge for Monday. It was very challenging for me, as it's my first time making a video for my channel in 13 days. So I want to thank you for being patient with me and with helping out with questions and things like that while I was on vacation. We had a great time. We went to a graduation, we went to a wedding, and we celebrated Father's Day in June. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. Don't forget that sale. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.